take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics 1963 Chevrolet Impala SS Tribute 2-door hardtop. Powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front headlight surrounds, chrome grille. Get a good look at that. Originally a 936 paint coat, so this would have been an ermine white car. Has had a repaint along the way, still obviously in a similar color white. Also originally a red interior car, now sporting the red vinyl buckets. 4-speed on the floor with center console. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, engine bay, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look up and down the passenger side of this car. Riding on 15-inch chrome Supreme wheels. Take a peek at the interior. We'll slip around to the driver's side, get a little better look at the interior from that side also. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of this car. I think one of the reasons that it makes this model year such a popular Chevy. Once again, still pictures. You can see this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, trunk, engine bay. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you there. You can see the paint does show well in this one. Nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. Has obviously been redone. Vinyl shows well in the rear seat, as well as the front. Black carpeting can be seen in the still pictures. I've got the floor mats in the car now for doing the video, but take a look at the still pictures and you'll be able to see the carpeting. Front and rear. Played around a little bit. They'd have their wipers working. Those were fine. We're going to go ahead and start it up. So you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Make sure we're in neutral here. Odometer reads 89,268. Can't confirm or deny if that's original miles. Once the car becomes a certain age, miles are not recorded on a title anymore. Comes exempt. Take a look at the dash. FYI, that was a cold start, cold light still working. I did not have the radio power up, FYI. Did mention wipers worked. Slip around to the back of this, you can hear it run. 400 sounds good. Nice throaty exhaust in this one. Deep little rumble. Alright, let's slip up to the front, take a quick look at this engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's a peek at that engine bay. Again, 400 cubic inch. V8, power brakes. Heater hoses still hooked up. Radiator, fan shroud. All look original. So clean, tidy engine bay. Smooth running. 400 underneath there. Again, the 1963 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop SS Tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.